What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday to everybody. Pocket dump. We got the Kaiser Utility Bear, We the People laser etch blades in it. Excellent action. Crossbar lock. Then we got the Cooper Cutlery. Sorry, you're going to be bouncing for a minute. Trapper. Wharncliffe single blade. 1095. Bright yellow bone. Jig bone. It's just an awesome traditional knife. And then wallet. We had the Proof wallet. For a light, we had the EDC 23. So Proof wallet, EDC 23, Kaiser Utility Bear, and Cooper Cutlery, yellow jig bone, Wharncliffe Trapper. And we carried that in the leather sheath. Man, it was hot today. What y'all got for Tuesday?